At Quiet, we're a third-party logistics company. We've got 8 warehouses around the country currently, and we are the shipping, receiving, returns for a lot of different popular brands online that you'd order. So my role as director of IT infrastructure, I have both the classic servers, networking, telecom, video conferencing side of the house, and then I have the day-to-day support from the techs and IT operations that handle our warehouse infrastructure. And it was 100% on-premise servers, on-premise infrastructure. It ate up a lot of cycles and time, and with a small team, that can be a killer. We partnered up with Sayers early on to scope and spec what it would take to get from a fully on-premise to a fully Azure cloud-based infrastructure. We moved each of our warehouse management system environments from local Dell servers all into Microsoft Azure Cloud. We used multiple regions around the country for that, and we moved our centralized services, so Active Directory, file servers, things along those lines, also to the cloud there. And what we found is everything ran better, ran smoother, and we had that resiliency of backup support and redundancy right there built into the solution. Today, so much of the IT side of the house is around compliance and security and things like that. So we've also leveraged Sayers to do our annual pen test. We've used their consultants to assist us with the process of GDPR and CCPA compliance, and even have some things on the horizon around other security compliance efforts to enable us to still do business as is expected today in the current ecosystem with all of our partner environments, but maintain still having a small, very nimble staff of our own people to focus on the things that really makes us different. As a logistics company, our business has grown massively. Our clients are shipping much more product than they have in the past. So for us this past year is a focus on how do we continue to deliver internally. By being in the cloud, we don't have to worry about maintaining and having a drive go down. We don't have to worry about a lot of these things because the monitoring is there, the availability is there, and all those environments have worked out really well for us from a day-to-day. I came to this company about a year ago from a multi-billion-dollar, larger publicly traded company. My fear is that we wouldn't have the same support. We're a big company. We've got vendors that bend over backwards for our business. And I was really surprised in the best possible way to find that we had better support and better engineering resources from Sayers than we were getting at that large public company. And so it really has become a logical extension of our built-in team. That's what's been great for the relationship with Sayers is we can bring a challenge and we explain the why. Here's our actual business challenge, not the technical version and point, but we're trying to get from A to B or solve this sort of solution. And then we're able to kind of solve it together with smart people in a room. That's invaluable. When you're going to go and look at any partner, we always gauge the fit from a collaborative. Can you talk through a problem together? Can you be smart in how you solve it? And is there a sense of shared ownership? And we definitely have that with Sayers and continue to, which is, it's a wonderful thing.